This morning has been quite a day already. There is not enough coffee in the world for me. All right, I gotta do something with myself. I have a lot to do today. Grocery store, then I gotta go volunteer in the first grade class. I'm gonna be that mom, the one that shows up looking like, oh, look at these blemishes. Like, what am I, 17? Is it hormones? Is it the cleanser I'm using? Like, what in the world? And my eyes. You'd think with older kids, I'd look like I sleep more. And why didn't I tell my 17-year-old self not to sit in the sun? Look at those sunspots. I can't even get started on my gray hair. I don't even know when my next hair appointment is. Oh, that eyebrow. What is wrong with it? Why does it look like that? Why doesn't it look like the other one? Oh, I swear if I could just tighten this up, I'd feel more confident. Well, that ain't gonna happen. I gotta do something. We'll start with this primer stuff. I don't even know what this is. I just know I saw a girl on Facebook and she said that it would help me use less makeup. Girl, you have no idea. I need more makeup, but it's supposed to help my pores and fine lines. I got very little hope for this. All right, the primer didn't go too bad. Let's see if I can do something about these dark circles. I can't go in there looking like goth. So we'll do this. Supposed to put it in a V, makes it look more natural. All right, that's not too bad. Look, it's covering up those spots. That's fabulous. All right, here's where the real magic needs to happen. I need perfect, flawless skin ASAP. Is that too much to ask? Really? Can these 4 drops just please make me look alive? I cannot believe that foundation covered my sun damage. I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm gonna look alive and cheerful and happy. This is amazing. All right, I don't have it in me to do any wild and crazy eyes. We're just gonna go with something neutral. I mean, good grief, I'm not in my 20s anymore, right? Maybe someday. I mean, maybe. Look how easy this goes on. Okay, maybe I could pull off some color someday. All right, I gotta fix this brow. Why am I missing half of a brow on this side and not the other? Is this what happens? Like you start losing hair in your brows? All right. Sisters, not twins, right? I can't believe how natural this actually looks. All right, I'm pleasantly surprised at how well this has gone up to this point. So I'm gonna try that fancy trick I saw, tight lining. Look at that. I didn't poke my eye out. Kind of impressed. I've been known to walk out of my house in a lot of ways, but I do know one thing. I gotta put mascara on. I know that mascara will at least help me look like I slept last night. And maybe it will draw people's attention away from the gray hair on the top of my head. Lips, neutral, or I have this red. What do I do? I'm going with the red. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna be that mom. I'm gonna be that mom at the end of the year school party with bright red lips. What do I care? I like it. I think it looks good. Yeah, definitely the right choice. This is fun. I can do this. I can step out of my comfort zone. Why am I doing so much self-talk this morning? Why are red lips hard? This is ridiculous. It's just lips. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. It's fabulous. I mean, there's no use putting all this on if I'm not going to make sure that it stays on all day. So what did she call it? That power powder something? I don't know. It's supposed to make it last all day. And if I'm gonna go to all this work, it better. Highlight? Too much? I mean, I already did red lips. Might as well have that J-Lo glow at the first grade volunteer lunch. Whatever. I want to look like the sun is shining perfectly on my face as I hand out paper cups and Twinkies. Not bad. Not bad. I'm looking good. Well, this day turned around pretty quick. I got this.